Nice hustle. Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Drone racing on Championship Sunday, the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championship. This is heat number 9. Final heat of qualifying round number 2. We'll go to the top of the order again. Hosted by the University of North Dakota. This is the 3rd edition of the Collegiate Drone Racing Championship, getting its start about this time 3 years ago. I guess 2 years ago, really. In Purdue, at Purdue in Indiana. They did renditions 1 and 2 of the Collegiate Championship. Now the University of North Dakota taking claim for the championship, hosting it, and great hosts as well. Very impressive, all of the accommodations that they have afforded our pilots here. Down to just 2. The Hawaiian Hammer, who just crossed onto lap number 2. And the Call working on his opening lap. With 40 seconds still to go here on the master race clock. "30 seconds still to go. One more to go for the Hawaiian Hammer. That was a 48.6 on lap number 2. And the ding, bringing out our checkered. Hope you guys are hungry. Papa John's bringing us lunch here today. Lots of pizza still available. Make sure you grab some. Look at this. We're almost right together, even though they're a lap apart. And it'll be 3 laps in 2 minutes 38 for the Hawaiian Hammer. And 2 laps in 2 minutes 41 for the Call. That is it in all. Heat number 9 is in the books. That's the end of qualifying round number